Hi family, we are here at the Wli Agumatsa Waterfall Storage Center, still exploring the Volta region Princess Floors. From the down section we can see the waterfall all the way from that side. They said we didn't come early enough, so we can only go to the lower fall, right? Not the higher fall. So Wli Agumatsa Waterfalls is on the border, the Ghana-Togo border, barely 100 meters away from the Ghana-Togo border. You can see the Wli Agumatsa Waterfalls. Like we do, Princess Floors. Come with us, let's explore, let's conquer. We're going deep into the mountains, the Wli Agumatsa Waterfall. So apparently there are a few of these bridges on the way to the fall. We've counted 2 so far. I think there are 16 or 15 in total. So yeah, 16 bridges. We just passed. This is the second bridge.
Second bridge, yeah.
So we have 14 more. Wow, see the rainbow. See the rainbow. This is beautiful. Alright, so guys, this is the Wli Waterfalls. It is beautiful, it is amazing. When we came, we welcomed us with a rainbow. It is very nice. Everybody needs to come and visit here. Volta region has spectacular places, very beautiful places that you should come and visit. I won't lie to you. If you see the surroundings, it's very greenery, very beautiful. You guys need to come here. We made it. We are the Wli Agumatsa Waterfalls here in the Volta region, and it says here the tallest waterfall in West Africa. If you look at the greenery, the rock formation, and then the bats and everything over here, it's a beautiful spot. Princess Floors. Come with us to the next trip. Guess where we are going next? We are